Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph and welcome back to my channel. And today, simple lang naman yung video natin. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo yung pinadala sa akin ni Cherry Mobile because it's a lot. It's a lot, guys. So, hindi ko lang kung kita nyo. Ayan. So, kita nyo, sobrang dami ng pinadala ni Cherry Mobile sa akin. It's actually surprising na padala silang ganito this Christmas. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year sa inyo, Cherry Mobile family. So, iisa-isahin natin. Just kidding, di natin isa-isahin. Kasi tulad nito, cables lang naman. Nothing so special about it. And magkatulad sila actually. Yan, nagkakalaglaga na. But the thing in here, marami tayong products. So, mungkin natin, unbox na natin, and alamin ko na ba itong mga mystery products na pinadala ni Cherry Mobile. So medyo madami tayong unbox dito na cables, but papakita ko na lang sa inyo since these are just cables. So si Cherry Mobile, meron silang ino-offer na ganito. It's a USB-A to USB-C cable. It's a 1 meter na cable. We got here a 2.1 amperes. So basically it's just a normal na charger sa mga 2.1 amperes na USB-C smartphone. So if you got a fast charging, well, I believe hanggang 15 or most of the time nasa 12 watts lang to kasi it's 2.1. So madalas dito is yung mga 5 volts, 2.1 amperes, so around 10 to 12 volts lang siya. Then of course, meron din tayo dito. This one is actually pretty cool. Ayan. So this one is micro USB. Ayan. Na merong solid na build. There we go. So nakikita nyo, we got here the zinc alloy. And then of course, look at the design of this one. Still, 3.1 ampere naman siya. Mas malaki naman to compared to sa pinakita ko kanina. So, mas malaki yung matatransfer na power natin dito. So, if you're looking for an affordable one, ito. And we got here zinc alloy. Ayan, nylon na build dito sa kanyang cable. So, hindi ka basta-basta masisiraan ng cable dito. Okay, so we also got here these cables na naka-letter L. These are for gaming. So, if you got a gaming na smartphone, if you're using a smartphone for gaming, this one is the right one for you. Kasi nga naka-L siya, which means that if you got a smartphone like this one, yan, so this is the Cherry Mobile Aqua S9 Max. And pag naglalaro kayo is nakaganto kayo, okay? Nakaganto kayo. So with the L cable, saksak dito, pababa. So if you're using the smartphone like this, yan, if nag-gaming kayo, hindi kayo mamumblema. It's landscape, walang problema. So it's really cool. Of course, we got here the 3-in-1 cable. 3-in-1 cable. It's a 3 amperes na cable. It's not 2.1. So, this one, if you got an iPhone, if you got a micro USB pa rin na smartphone, and you got USB-C smartphone, this one is the right one for you. 3 yung cables niya sa dulo for iPhone, USB-C, and also the micro USB. And then the other side, meron tayong USB-A. So, pretty cool. Useful if you got a lot of devices. Of course, this one is useful sa may mga kotse. So this is the Nitro port car charger, 2.4 fast charge, up to 24 volts, suitable for all kinds of cars. We got 2 times USB, so you can charge 2 devices at the same time. And we got, look at this, we got here 2 USB-A ports. So, yeah, it's a basic charger na meron kayo sa smartphone na to. Okay, so dito na tayo sa medyo mas gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. So, we got here the Pulse Sport Wireless. Actually, this one gusto ko na ipakita sa inyo kasi yung kanina it's the basic cables. Nothing so special about it. This one is for sports. Sa mga, laging adventure dyan. Sa mga gusto ng music and everything. There we go. So, we got here the Pulse Sport Wireless. It's the S5. So we got here the USB-A to micro USB-C cable, to micro USB cable, not USB-C, my bad. Ayan, so you can see that one. And of course, we got here the Pulse wireless earbud. So yan. Medyo tama lang siya, similar to sa medyo manipis yung cable niya, but what I like about this one is that we got here actually a not so strong na magnet, but we got a magnet, so hindi siya basta-basta malalaglag sa inyo. But I like the build it we got in here. It's metal, so maganda yung quality niya. Surprisingly, so pag nakasaksak ganyan siya itsura niya. Ayan. So surprisingly okay naman yung build quality niya. So yeah, if you're looking for an affordable one, ito. They got one which is this Pulse Sport Wireless from Cherry. Just Cherry, okay? So, nagre-brand sila recently to Cherry, coming from Cherry Mobile. So, they got Cherry Mobile, Cherry Roam, Cherry Home. They got a lot of devices for different Filipinos. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa next product natin. So, these two are one of my favorites because it's a fast charger. Actually, one of them is a fast charger. So this one is the Nitro port. So we got a 2.1 amperes na max. So it's not that much, but we got here a smart IC. Similar siya dun sa D-Power na in-unbox ko way like, I don't know, like more than a year ago. This one is pretty awesome. So meron tayong 5 volts, 2.1 amperes na charger dito. So I'm actually planning to use this one to my smart devices. For example, these light. Ayan, kailangan niya na USB-A na port. So, I'll probably use this one para doon sa aking other smart devices. And this is the other one. So, this is the 2-port wall charger with PD 3.0 plus V-Charge technology. So, as you can see in here, it's best used for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. Wala pa yung 12 nung lumabas to. But basically, we got here the LED indicator, which means that if green siya, it's fast charging. If it's blue, it's normal charging. It supports Huawei, Samsung, and Oppo devices. So, according dito, USB-C supports up to 18 watts. Take note. It supports 18 watts, the Nitro Port Plus. The USB-A supports, 5 volts, 3 amperes. It supports 18 watts, then it supports VOOC. I'm not sure what AFC is. SCP, I think that's Samsung's. I don't know, I'm not sure. Pero yeah, it does support different fast charging technology. Actually, since curious ako dito, how about opening this one? So, I'm planning to use this one actually as my charger pag lumabas ako ngayon. Ayan. So, marami tayong plastic right on the side. And place it over here. There we go. So, wala namang special dun sa loob ng box. We got here a normal charger. As you can see in here, we got PD 3.0 fast charge. We got Cherry logo over here. We got the LED indicator. It's not the USB-A pala. We got the PD 3.0, ayan, na USB-C. And also USB-A charger. So we got 2 ports, but this time, we got your PD 3.0. So if you need fast charging, you need 18 watts. If you have a smartphone that supports that, you can use this one, the Cherry charger, the Cherry Nitro Port Plus na charger. Really cool, really awesome. Next up is the PowerLink 10,000 milliamperes na power bank. So it's nothing so special. I mean, we got a lot of power banks na available naman dito sa market. So this one comes with a power input of 2 amperes, 5 volts, power output of 5 volts, 2.1 amperes. Yeah, it's stylish. That's what I like about it. As you can see, meron tayong hawakan dito. Actually, let's unbox this one. Ipakita ko sa inyo. Surprisingly, this one is quite small. Hindi siya ganun kalaki and sobrang portable niya. Medyo mataba siya, yes, but we got here 2 USB-A port, another one dito na USB-C, which is the input. Then we got here a micro USB port, and then we got here the power button. I think ito yung para mag-turn on ng ating power bank and also indicator. We got 4 LEDs na nawala. But yeah, this one is stylish. I actually like this one to use it as my keychain. I probably use this one sa bag ko. Iguana ko siya palagi. But yeah, what I like about this one is the style of this one. It's really cool and ang ganda niya tignan. And of course, we got here the micro USB to USB port. Lagi ako nagpapa-micro USB. But yeah, time to proceed sa next product natin. So this time it's a 20,000 mAh na power bank. So I'm curious about this one kasi nakalagay dito sa likod meron daw lightning port. I'm not sure if that is right or if tama yan. So this is the Cherry Mobile, Cherry PowerLink Supreme. So the PowerLink is like the lineup ng mga power banks sila. So we got your 20,000 mAh of battery. What I like about this one, so we got 2 USB A ports, fine. We got here the Type-C, which is an input or an output. But yung nag-interest sa akin dito is this one. So we got here a lightning input. I am not sure why we got the lightning input on this one. So, okay. Time to unbox this one. Tignan natin kung ano ba meron dito sa power bank na to. Oh, okay. Medyo mabigat siya. And it's kind of thick. Well, considering na 20,000 mAh in battery, hindi na ako magtataka. Okay. So, it does come with a lightning connector. Really, really unique. So, we got, I believe, the LED indicator over here. It's a 20,000 mAh of power bank. It's kind of big. It's large. We got 2 USB-A port in here. We got here the USB-C port, which is also an input and an output. And then the lightning port. So, if you got an iPhone, probably you can use this one. Kasi nga, hindi na kayo mamumblema pagdating dun sa cable niya. Kasi, lighting lang din naman siya. Okay, so inside, of course, we got here the micro USB-A to micro USB to USB. Hindi na ako tumama sa micro USB today. But yeah, it's cool na meron tayong ganitong power bank. It's a really cool concept, and I believe ang target market ni Cherry Mobile dito are the iPhone users. So next naman natin, this time headphones naman siya. This is actually the Cherry Pulse headphones, the S2 na model. I believe may mga available, may mga nakabili na nito. Ay nakakita na ako before sa Cherry Mobile community group. Shoutout nga pala sa Cherry Mobile community group. Hindi ko mabuksan yung box. So marami doon sa kanila nagbibili ng mga Cherry products, including this one, the Pulse headphones. So shoutout sa inyo again. Maraming salamat sa support sa inyo. I believe marami tayong supporters doon sa Cherry community. So maraming salamat. Okay lang, salamat ako. So teka lang, buksan ko lang to. Give me a few seconds. Hirap nyo buksan. Nasira ko yung box. Okay, so unfortunately nasira ko yung box. But we got here the Cherry Pulse headphones. It's the Model S2. Wow. Okay. So we got here very plastic to build. Very plastic. It's not so high-end na makikita nyo sa isang headphones, but it works. We got here the Cherry logo. Ayan. It's an earphones. Ayan. And it comes with 3.5mm na headphone jack. I'm not sure if it comes with mic. It doesn't come with a mic though. So try ko nga siya. Nanonood po tayo ng video ko. So it's jamception right now. Yeah, it does come with a lot of bass. So promise nga nila is extra bass. Yes, nakakuha tayo na extra bass dito. So yeah, this one doesn't come with a premium na build. As you can see, it's plastic. But I believe this one is affordable. I think parang below 500 pesos nga lang yata to eh. So hindi naman siya ganun kasakit sa bulsa. And nothing comes aside dun sa headphones natin. So if you want the full Cherry experience, you can get this one, the Cherry headphones. It's the Pulse headphones. Really affordable product. And nasira ko na kagad yung box. But yeah, I think naman tatagal sa inyo yung product pag ginamit nyo. So yeah, doon na tayo sa final product natin, which is the portable Ozonator. So this one is actually yung product na gustong-gusto ko talaga i-unbox sa lahat ng binigay sa akin ni Cherry Mobile because it's the Cherry Ozonator. So this one is perfect sa shoe cabinet, sa pet house, sa refrigerator, sa car. It's environmental, it's USB charging, it's convenient. Mali spelling. It's safe and durable, and it also a deodorization and also sterilization. So basically, it's perfect ngayong pandemic. If you want a COVID-free na bahay, if you want a odor-free na bahay, so this is the portable Ozonator. So it works similarly, I believe, katulad ng Cherry Mobile Ion na in-unbox natin way before. So this time, it's the portable Ozonator. So yan. We got here, I think this is also para siyang air purifier, something like that. I am not sure how this one will work. I am really curious about this one. So meron tayong button dito for the timer, meron tayong button dito for the power button. I am not sure lang kung paano siya mag-work. I am not sure din kung paano siya mag-prove if nag-work siya. But yeah, it's a really cool product from Cherry Mobile. I believe hindi naman nilolokohin ng mga tao na meron kaming portable Ozonator that helps in deodorization and also sterilization. So time to open this one. So give me a few minutes as I will just charge the Cherry Mobile or the Cherry portable Ozonator. So I am actually reading yung ating manual dito. So it comes in different modes: the refrigerator, the shoe cabinet, the car, pet house, and etc. Basically, it helps you dun sa odorization and sterilization. So we got yun yung scenario modes. We got the powerful mode. The device automatically turns to antibacterial mode of the corresponding scenario after 120 minutes of operation. That's awesome. We got antibacterial mode, which is basically it enters into a standby status after 30 minutes of operation. So with the standby mode, ayan, so the device returns to the status in 5 hours pag refrigerator. Under shoe cabinet scenario, after 6 hours. In car, 3 hours. Pet house, and 4 hours. So basically, if amoy aso, ganon yung pet house, ganon. If gusto nyo buwasan, this one can help. And this one actually comes with UV lamp. Nakalagay dito. It comes with the UV lamp. I'm not sure where, but I want to operate this one agad. So we got here the indicator. If green light flashes, it means that it's on powerful deodorant mode. It comes with the fan on, ozone generator on, and the UV lamp starts up after 10 minutes. Okay? So with antibacterial mode on, the green light keeps on, fan is on, alternately on yung ozone generator and the UV lamp. Pag doon naman sa standby status, lahat ay off. But the green light keeps on. So, if nagpa-flash siya, basically doon lang talaga yung powerful deodorant mode. So I'm really curious about this one. I'm not sure kung paano ko siya mapa-prove sa inyo. But yeah, you see the point in here na if you have a pet in your house, if you want, you know, antibacterial sa bahay niyo, if you want your home to be safe, this little baby can help you with that. The Cherry Portable Ozonator. I'm actually gonna use this one as I have a dog over here. See? Makakatulong siya sa akin sa Cherry Mobile Portable Ozonator. Kailangan mo yan. Yes, okay. Ikaw na lang yan mag-unbox. So you see guys, these are the really cool products from Cherry Mobile na pinadala sa akin. Ranging from cables to the charger, the power banks, the headphones, and now we got here the portable ozonator. I'm curious about this one. I want to try this one out as soon as possible. So yeah guys, that's it dito sa ating unboxing and hands-on. Actually, just pakita ko lang sa inyo ang padala ni Cherry Mobile. Not unboxing, hands-on really. So maraming salamat. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up. And this 2021, hopefully marami pa tayong mga video content like this. Ganito lang. Short, simple, but a lot of content. So maraming salamat guys sa mga nagko-comment sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanood. Sa mga nag-first, second, third, fourth, fifth dyan. Walang problema. Mag-comment lang kayo. I love you guys. Maraming salamat. And see you guys sa susunod na video.